already prepped my skin and primer, mask primer. I'll apply all over. Quite sticky. Let's begin with eye makeup first. So I'm using LA Girl Pro Conceal. In my beauty blender, let's blend this concealer. You can use brush as well. But I don't. Base is done. Let's set it with loose powder. Then remove the crease first and then set it nicely. Base won't budge and our colors pop. In here, our eyes is ready. Usually this brush is taking lady and it is having all these. Oh my god. I'm gonna just give a lid space color. Crease. Okay. With a big blending brush. Just go into the crease line. Alright. You have to define that crease. Aim over here. I'll just wash this crease over once. Yeah, okay. It's a small blending brush. Now the shade. Just sort of back into my crease, into your crease, back, that's the process, okay. Edges, I'll take a lighter shade and soften the edge, soften the edge, just dramatically soften, you can see. So here I'm taking that pink and I'm softening it more, just on the outer crease. So here you have created a light shade base. Yes, I'll take more light color. I'll again soften this border with that. Okay, so you will see a gradation. Now it's a little bit softened. Just brush this up once again. You have to go back and forth. But I could see that I've achieved this gradation and now I'll cut crease. Your crease. That is your crease. I have taken this light shade and slowly I'll cut that. Pencil. Eye makeup almost finished and now we'll start the base. Hours of makeup, skin tint, concealer, using right here, highlight more points, here, on here. So we'll blend this. Let's do the liner in between. It's out. Powder baking. loose powder. Baking I'm doing. I'll just put loose powder for a while and keep it. Applied my concealer. Let's do contouring. I'm using Kiko Milano contour slash something 05 in the shade. You see all the mascara from Mars. This blush, this shade. This is so pretty shade. This Chotu Swiss Beauty setting spray. It's the highlighter palette from Savannah Colors, and my brush over here. Yum, yum, yum. Yeah. So just highlight those points. I have these two options in lipstick, but this is kind of a new. The packaging itself is so cute. Cherry Lip Kumkumadi Lip Balm, and it is great. Just watch it.